The pinnacle of luxury is not just reached but redefined by cars that transform every moment into a masterpiece. The new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL has been meticulously crafted to deliver the ultimate fusion of opulence and performance. As part of the iconic SL lineup, this model has been elevated to Maybach standards, making it a groundbreaking addition to the world of luxury roadsters. A unique blend of heritage and innovation has been celebrated, ensuring that this car stands out as a true masterpiece in automotive design. Its exterior has been carefully sculpted to exude elegance and power. The signature Maybach grille, adorned with vertical chrome slats, has been seamlessly integrated with sleek LED headlights, giving the front fascia an aura of sophistication. A longer wheelbase and redesigned silhouette emphasize the Roadster's commanding presence, while bespoke two-tone paint options, along with unique Maybach badging, set it apart from its peers. Beneath its hood, 0.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine is paired with a mild hybrid system to deliver both performance and efficiency. This powertrain has been optimized to generate 621 horsepower, allowing the car to glide from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. A smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system are provided to ensure that the driving experience is as refined as it is thrilling. The interior has been reimagined to embody the pinnacle of luxury. Handcrafted materials, including Napa leather and polished wood accents, are found throughout the cabin. Ambient lighting has been incorporated to create a serene atmosphere, while reclining, heated, and ventilated seats with massage functions are designed to envelop passengers in ultimate comfort. A massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen is centrally positioned, allowing effortless access to the latest MBUX infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration, a Burmester 4D sound system, and advanced voice commands ensure that every journey feels effortlessly connected. Safety features have been meticulously included, with Mercedes' latest driver assistance package, providing innovations such as adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. A reinforced chassis and enhanced airbags contribute to an unmatched level of passenger security. Priced at approximately $300,000, the new Maybach SL represents the epitome of exclusivity and performance. Its history, rooted in innovation and luxury, has been celebrated with this model, with a timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and an unrivaled sense of grandeur. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL transforms every journey into an extraordinary experience,